Do you have a duty as a private citizen to unzip a suitcase when the person in the suitcase voluntarily went in, but you assisted them in zipping it up? Do you have a duty, right? It's like a Rorschach test. People are going to look at it and come to different conclusions. But do you have a duty or not? If you don't have a duty, I know you don't have a duty to jump into a river and save a drowning person. That's an easy one. I know you have a duty to put down a gun that you've picked up and you're going to shoot somebody. But this is in the middle. Do you have that duty? Owens is going to make a very impassioned closing argument. I'm really riveted by the closing arguments. I think she made a mistake by not allowing lesser included charges. I believe that that was a mistake. She's already served 4 years in jail. But that comes down to the little bit of narcissistic personality. But she has swayed me a little bit in this case, Kelly. I will be honest. She did sway me. I didn't think she'd sway me, but she did sway me with her testimony. I do believe that she's a battered person. I did not know she was stabbed in the leg. I did not know. When she showed the picture of her leg being stabbed, I felt bad for her because, I have a daughter. Like, I don't want my daughter to be treated that way by anybody. I also did not know how small Jorge Torres is, right? He's 103 pounds. I have a 9-year-old son who's very thin. He weighs 115 pounds. He's 9 years old. This guy weighed 12 pounds less than my 9-year-old, right? So this whole case had things in it I did not know, and I've been looking at this for 3 years, 4 years. I did not know any of the stuff that came out in that trial. So the closing arguments are going to be very impactful, very important. I'm riveted. I want to see what comes out. I want to see how Owens brings all the evidence together. We know in his opening statement he said, my client lied, and I want to see how he brings it into the closing argument. It's going to be very, very fascinating to see.